right, today we are looking at the Mirabox 4K capture card. Just arrived. We're gonna unbox this baby and see what we got here. Look at this sleek bag. Tiny. Pretty small. Pretty small little capture card. Comes with a cord, USB to USB. Very nice. And I'll try to undo this here so you can see it. Terrible rip of the paper. There we go. All right, here's what we're looking at. Capture card. Pretty simple. 4K in, 4K out, USB 3.0. I'm going to be using this to stream and record Nintendo Switch video, gameplay, specifically Zelda Tears of the Kingdom when it comes out. I can also use this for my Xbox, so pretty excited. Stay tuned.